Chapter on a menstruating woman should leave observing Sawm, fasting. Narrated Abu Sa'id al-Khudri, may Allah be pleased with him. Once Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, went out to the Musalla to offer the Salah, prayer of Eid al-Adha or Eid al-Fitr, and he passed by the women and said, O you the assembly of women, give alms, as I have seen that the majority of the dwellers of hellfire were you women. They asked, Why is it so, O Allah's Messenger? He replied, You curse frequently and are ungrateful to your husbands. I have not seen anyone more deficient in intelligence and religion than you. A cautious, sensible man could be led astray by some of you. The women asked, O Allah's Messenger, what is deficient in our intelligence and religion? He said, Is not the witness evidence of two women equal to the witness of one man? They replied in the affirmative. He said, This is the deficiency in her intelligence. Isn't it true that a woman can neither offer salah, prayers, nor observe Sawm, fasting, during her menses? The women replied in the affirmative. He said, This is the deficiency in her religion.
Subscribe and like to learn more.